Hi, this is Tucker, and this is the Simpler Stocks trend trading video. We're doing it Tuesday, May 24th after the close. This is a in-the-day trading system, so these will be potential setups for Wednesday before the market open. First, we'll take a look at IBM. So we have a breakout trade here. It's above this resistance level here. We're going to get in a few cents above this high, and that entry price is going to be $153.77. And since we're setting these trades up when the markets close, our entries are a stop limit order. And so the maximum we're willing to pay for that is $156.85. If you have a $10,000 account, you set it up for 10 shares. We have a stop of $143.76. And the stop lines up really good with support. You can see we have quite a few support points here. Our stop lines up really well with that. And we have a target of 169.15. So this blue line is going to be the entry. Green line is the target. Red line is the stop. So it makes it real easy to go back and look and see how your stop lines up with support and to see if you have any resistance between your entry and your target. This trade has a risk-reward ratio of 1.54, and you'd want to risk 1% of your account value on this trade. So let's just squeeze in and look at a little more history here. So we do have a resistance level right in here, just a little bit underneath where the target is. So just be aware of that if you set this trade up. Next we have LXK, another breakout trade going long. Our entry is a few cents above this high. And that high is on April the 27th. So if you have a $10,000 account, you can set this up for 47 shares. Entry price is $38.98. Your max slippage is $39.76. Stop is $36.83. And we have a target of $42.88. This has a risk-reward ratio of 1.81, and you can risk 1% of your account on this trade. Once again, we have a stop that has some support, not as much as the IBM one. And we go back in time here. There's not a lot of resistance in there between your entry and your target. You can see prices moving up there, and here it's just moving up and down, and there's not a lot of price points at the same level. So even though it looks busy, there's not a lot of resistance in there. Next we have RYN, another breakout trade going long. Entry is above the resistance level, and it's a few cents above this high on May the 16th. If you have a $10,000 account, you can set this up for 377 shares. We have an entry of $25.96. Max slip is just $26.34. Stop's going to be $25.42. We have a target of $27.90. And this one has a risk-reward ratio of 3.68. We like to take advantage of that higher risk-reward ratio, and so you can risk up to 2% on this particular trade. This one, the support level was so far down we didn't have a good enough risk-reward ratio, so we're using the bar before as our stop. Those are our two stop options. Swing points, which are 5-bar patterns, which are a support point, or the bar before it could actually trigger. So if this doesn't trigger, then it would be a few cents below tomorrow's low. This one does have a little resistance in here just above the entry price, but not much above that. So before we leave, just want to make you aware, we are having our summer mentorship workshop. It's going to be here in Austin. It's at the AT&T Convention Center. It's really a great place. Nice hotel. The conference rooms are excellent. They're elevated, so it makes it easy to see. Fast internet, obviously, since AT&T is the sponsor of it. There's good restaurants in the hotel, and there's good restaurants in downtown Austin. And it's going to be June 26th through the 28th. Great way to improve your trading because you're focusing on nothing but trading for 3 days. Also, another great way to meet other traders like you, form a network, and connect with. And to learn more about it, the link is simpletrading.com/Austin. So I'll be doing these videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I will see you again on this Thursday. Thanks and have a great day.